I became an engineer to work on big structures. I never wanted to design small apartment complexes. It was more about what are the big assets, the really big things that I can work on. And as a kid, I always loved dams. So we'd go on holidays with the family up to Queensland and to be assigned to a dam, and I'd say, Dad, let's go. Got to see this dam. And Melbourne Water's dams portfolio is really an impressive portfolio. So we've got the oldest embankment dam in Australia at Yan Yean, built in 1857, and one of the more recent dams, so the second highest dam in Australia at Thomson, built in 1984. There's also a range of different types of dams. So here at Maroondah, it's a concrete gravity dam. A lot of our other dams are embankment dams, but we also have some concrete face rockfill dams and concrete core wall dams. So having that diversity of structures makes it really interesting. And one of the things I really like about the role is that it requires the knowledge of all different aspects of engineering, from mechanical, electrical, structural, hydraulics and hydrology, geology. They're all really important parts of managing our dams portfolio.
When I get to come out on site, it's pretty great because you get to walk around these beautiful structures that are huge and kind of awe-inspiring, but they're located in these beautiful reservoirs, so you get to experience nature as well. The dams, they're a strong part of Melbourne Water's legacy and our history, and we're responsible for making them endure in that legacy and shaping really what the water supply system looks like for the future. A couple of the key projects we've got coming up are major dam safety works at Cardinia. We've also got some more strategic work happening with Upper Yarra, so really thinking about how we transfer water from Thomson through to Sylvan, which is basically a core part of our water supply system. So it's big decisions about big strategic investments in major dam safety upgrades and major changes to the water supply system that are going to endure for 100 years. That's pretty cool.
I really do find it rewarding on a personal level to work on these really important and massive structures. But we're only caretakers of these assets. They were there long before we were here, and they'll be there long after we're gone. So our obligation is to leave a positive legacy of management for future dam engineers to follow.